Welcome to the third video in the finance setting series for the sourcing and procurement side. In this video, we are going to configure controlling area, cost center, profit center, cash element, and the default account assignment for profit center and the cost center. While setting up the controlling area it's a component used for cost accounting purposes. So in sourcing and procurement purpose, we do not have much say in the configuration of the controlling area. Through the two T codes, we can do the same process, but one T code is incomplete, so I do not suggest to use that. So OX06 is an incomplete application, so you can safely avoid this particular side of controlling area. You can just stick to OKKP T code and the associated path for it. And I am going to use the identifier because of some problem, because of the company code copying issue. I have got a hard error while configuring the controlling area. So my identifier for the controlling area is ZPUS, and the cost center hierarchy will be ZPUS CCSH. I have already made the configuration in the system. I will show you how to do it. The second, once we define the controlling area and with all the parameters, we need to activate the components. So activation of the component, just refer the video in this further process. I will show you which component to be activated and which can be safely left out. Assignment of the company codes. This is very important part. Here what I was getting the error. This error saying that PUS1 and PUS2, the entry already exists, the message number being SV009. I have made my investigations, so that's why the delay in the uploading the video. I'm very sorry about this. And the PUS1 and PUS2 was by default assigned to a 0001 controlling area. This has to be deleted first, and then we can assign the two company codes to the created controlling area. So that was the error. It took little time for me to analyze what is the point of error and come up with the solution, because I am not an expert in the finance side. So please bear with me in this. If we look at the hierarchy, the organizational structure, this is the hierarchy we can see. The client, at the top we have the client. Our client is 800. We are working with client 800. Operative concern, it is something or the process related to the module SAP, process related to SAP COPA. Okay, cost accounting part of the module it is, so no need to worry about operating concerns in this particular course. So just below that operating concern, there will be a controlling area created. So controlling area, then controlling area has got its own profit centers and the cost center assigned to them. So purpose of controlling area is to control the profit center and the cost centers. Under this, there will be a company code. A company code can have a multiple profit centers, but a cost center can be assigned to only one company code. One cost center can be assigned to one company code, but company code may have n number of cost center. Likewise, a company code may have n number of profit centers. A controlling area may have n number of profit centers. So if this concept is going little bouncer, you can simply ignore. This is having no importance in our further process or something. So you can safely ignore this. This is not even important for the interview purpose as well. So let me get into the SAP. Just give me a second. Yeah, let's get into the SAP system. Now let me come out of the application. Just a minute. Let me save this. Yeah, we can come out of the application. The T code is OKKP. We can use this, otherwise we can use the path. SPRO, I'm using the path. Go to controlling node, expand this, go to general controlling, expand this node again, go to organizations, expand this, click on maintaining controlling area. Go to the second option, maintain controlling area, double click on that. You will get lots of entries here. Go to new entry, maintain all these things. Let me show you how to maintain ZPP4 you need to give the controlling area key, give the name COAR 4, uh, select cross company code cost accounting, currency type 10, company code currency, and the currency is Great Britain pound, GBP, chart of account INT, fiscal year variant is ZA, cost center standard hierarchy is ZPP4 hyphen CCSH. That's it. Press enter. That's it. Now once this is done, save the setting. You'll get lots of warning. Ignore them. Now go to activate components. Here there will be a blank table. You need to go to new entries and you need to activate the cost center, activate order management, activate commitment management. Activity type is not important for sourcing and procurement, so you can leave. Activity based accounting is also not important, and then select the checkbox for projects, sales order, cost objects, all currencies and variances you can leave. So give the fiscal area, fiscal year 2023, press enter and then save the config. Here there will be a pop-up saying that critical transport control indicator in the control area. Click on the right mark, you will get a warning. Click on the right mark. Once this is done, you can go to the next operation, that is assignment of company code. Here again there will be a blank table. Go to new entries, enter your company code PUS1 and PUS2 and press enter. You will get an error because the entry has been already done, assignment has been already done, so an entry already exists with the same key. As I have told you, controlling area comes above the company code and the company code is assigned to the controlling area. That's why you can only assign a company code to a one controlling area, not more than one controlling area. That's why you are getting the error. Now come back. I will show you what is the my I have what is my controlling area which I am going to use. This is the 3-step you need to maintain. Here ZPUS is the controlling area I am going to use. Double click on this. You can see all the entries. Yeah, you can see all the entries, and ZCCSH is my uh, standard hierarchy. So if we want, we can change this. Okay, now let me change this. ZPUS CCSH is my standard hierarchy. Now click on save. You'll get lots of warning. Ignore them. Now next go to activate component. You can see all the components are active here as per my previous operations. Now go to assignment. You can see the assignment has been done to the controlling area. This is about the controlling area creation and assigning them to a company code. That's it. With this, we have completed the controlling area operations. The second operation we need to undertake is maintaining the number ranges. You can see in the same node, we can have maintain number ranges for controlling document. Execute this node. Just give your controlling area, that is ZPUS. Look at the interval. See, there is no interval exists, so we need to copy the interval. Click on the copy sub object. Just try to do this. Copy sub object ZPUS from ZPUS. No, it is not from ZPUS. From 0001 to ZPUS. Yes. Click on right mark. You will get a pop-up message. Click on this. The number range has been copied. Now click on display interval. You can see the interval that has been copied. So now come back, the number ranges has been done. Now we need to maintain the version. Here maintain number ranges we have done, maintain versions, execute this. So click on the 0, click on 0, then go to settings for each fiscal year. Controlling area you need to provide, that is our ZPUS is our controlling area. ZPUS, click on right. So version log, this is already there, so no need to make any changes. Now come back, select version 0 once again, go to settings for profit center accounting. Here there is no data exists, so you need to maintain data for this. 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027. Now click on online transfer and click on line items. Exchange rate type is M. Maintain M against each entries. Press enter. Click on save. Yeah, it's completed. So once this is done, there is an operating concern which we don't want to maintain anything. So once this setting is done, we can go to the ledger setting. Now the define ledger for the controlling area version. Okay, now come back. Version 0 has been set up. Define ledger for CO version. Execute this node. You will get so many entries here, but our controlling area is not there, so we need to maintain this. Go to new entries, CO area, it is ZPUS version 0, ledger 0L. Yes, press enter and save. Ignore the warning, we have completed the entry. Now come back, check for the table for our entry, it is done. So with this we have completed the controlling area setup. I hope this is clear.